All right, so today's Veterans Day, 2021, November 11th. Welcome back to Luxitam. I've been playing around with finally trying to go into DeFi with crypto, and the network that I've decided to start with is Polygon. Eventually, I'm going to do Cardano through the Card Starter program. I'm going to do Polkadot through the Polka Starter, get the tokens, be able to go through and get the IDOs, play around on that network. Yearn Finance, I already play around on Binance with PancakeSwap, liquidity pools, and stuff like that. A couple others, but the one that I'm really interested in is Polygon for a couple of reasons. Number one, I like the way it plays with Aave. It literally has a Polygon tab that you can click and be locked. It's built for it within Aave. So I wanted to play with Polygon for that reason, and the other reason was obviously the gas fees on working with anything these days, with transferring coins to buying coins to dealing with DeFi protocols. The gas fees on Ethereum are just way outside of my range. I mean, the same transaction that I can do on Ethereum for $120 for a transaction, I can do for less than a cent on Polygon. So I went, well, this is obvious. So I've been planning on doing this for a while, and yesterday and the early part of today, I finally broke off and got into doing all the connecting. So I put together a PowerPoint presentation on exactly how I went through and did it, with some pictures, screenshots of my MetaMask wallet, and some of the ways that I did things. So the one thing that I did was I went into MetaMask, and I'm going to kind of not explain for anyone who's watching this video that might be seriously a beginner. I might have, let me know in the comment below if you don't understand some of the stuff I'm talking about, because I'm just going to talk. It'll be faster if I just talk about it as if you do know the basics. If you don't, I'm more than glad to go through that. But let me just go ahead and run through this real quick. So in my MetaMask account, I have one wallet. I don't use multiple wallets right now, but I have the Binance chain set up in MetaMask. I have the Ethereum chain obviously set up in MetaMask. And now I have the MATIC Mainnet set up in my MetaMask. So with that being said, once you create and I leave a link to a lady who does great videos all the time about crypto, and I believe she's British. I can't tell, but she's really cool. And you'll see the link here. I'll put the link in the description below for the video on how to set up your MATIC Mainnet in MetaMask. Once you do that, you have your mainnet set up, and your wallet will have 0 MATIC tokens in it, which are needed if you're going to use the MATIC network. You need MATIC tokens for gas fees, the 1 cent, the whatever. But you start off with 0. Now, getting MATIC tokens into your MetaMask wallet on the mainnet for MATIC. You can have MetaMask with an Ethereum wallet, with a wallet that's connected to the Ethereum network. And let's say you have 25 MATIC tokens sitting in there, and you want to move them into your same MetaMask account, but your same wallet, but move them, some of them, onto the MATIC network so that the network can use them there, because the MATIC network can't go get them and use them for fees off of your Ethereum network, which is where your MATIC coins could be at the moment. So you can use the POS bridge over at Polygon, MATIC, same thing. The two words are interchangeable these days. They rebranded. So that transfer was going to cost me $100 and some at Polygon. Use their bridge to go from Ethereum, transfer my Ethereum tokens, my ERC20s, to the Polygon network. No way. I said, no. I tried 15 different things. I used Polygon faucets, where you get free tokens. They really don't work that well. One did, but it wasn't enough, and whatever. And so I just had constant pitfalls. And finally, I saw a video from a guy, and I'll put a link to his video in the description below, which is the one I used, to realize if you have a KuCoin Exchange account, and I do, you can go to KuCoin. You buy MATIC tokens. They're in your wallet on KuCoin. From there, you can literally transfer those tokens, the MATIC tokens, from KuCoin and send them across on the MATIC network direct to your MATIC mainnet in MetaMask and fund your MetaMask wallet with MATIC tokens on the MATIC mainnet, which is where you need them to use the MATIC network, the Polygon network, because that's what they use for gas fees. And I went, oh, this is zoom, done. And the transfer fee cost me one MATIC token, which was like $1.70. So I said, and there it is. So what I did is I kind of put together a little thing here I want to show you real quick. It just runs right through it. If you guys have any questions about it, put it in the links below. I'll do the best I can to answer them because this was a major headache, but it is so worth it to get on that Polygon network and start playing in DeFi at a rate of cost that is so infinitesimal compared to Ethereum. It's not even funny. It's literally going to force you to want to play into DeFi now because the barrier to entry once you get in with cost on fees is nothing. So here we go. Let's take a look at this. All right, so here we go. This is the little PowerPoint I put together. It's real simple. So the Polygon MATIC token network. Step 1, set up your MetaMask. So you set your MATIC mainnet up on the Polygon network on MetaMask in your MetaMask wallet, browser wallet. There's the video right there that shows you how to do it. The link will also be in the description below. The next thing that happens is you have your MetaMask browser wallet. So if you see here, I have this account is the same account that I use on all of my different networks. Right over here, and I know it's hard to see, I'm going to try to pump this up and see if we can get it a little bit bigger. I really want you to see this. This drop down will show the Ethereum network, the Binance network, the local host, and anything else in there in MetaMask. But you click the drop down and you select, after you've created your MetaMask network, okay, you will then have this option to select this MATIC mainnet. And then I started off with 0 tokens in here, okay? In this wallet, on this network, I had 0 MATIC tokens. These are needed for gas. There's my balance. This is in my wallet, and I'm accessing this network with this MetaMask account. Okay. Now, going to this, we have, let me drop this back down because it's not going to be needed as much. You have the MetaMask wallets. So again, I use the same wallet within MetaMask across all my networks. So that means this right here is the same account that I use no matter what network I'm interacting with inside of MetaMask. Okay, so my Ethereum network on MetaMask, same wallet, same wallet, same wallet. Different networks in MetaMask, but I always use the same wallet. You don't have to do that. I'm just showing you what I do. Now, step 3, you need to fund the MATIC mainnet with MATIC tokens, obviously for gas, which is where I talk about you go to KuCoin, you buy MATIC tokens, and you move the MATIC tokens into your main account, into the main account on KuCoin, not your trading account, so you can get them out of there. I'm going to show you that in a second. So then on KuCoin, the exchange itself, again, I'm going to pump this up a little bit. Let's do this. Okay, so here's my main account on KuCoin. I'm on the KuCoin Exchange. I'm logged in. So I have my main account, you have your trading account, and then who cares about these other accounts, right? So what you're, oops, made my thing go way too fast. All right, so what we're looking at over here is this is my main account. This is my trading account. This is where you go into their exchange and go buy and sell tokens. But once you do that, you need to move them to your main account. I'm going to show you that here in a second. This is inside of KuCoin now, where we're going to go get our MATIC. Now, once you're in KuCoin, let me bring it down just a tick. Okay, so now in my trading account, I have tokens. Let's say this right here. I need to transfer out of this is the account, main account, trading account in KuCoin. If coins are here, transfer them to the KuCoin main account. So if they're in here, which they are, you would go to transfer, and that will move them right here within KuCoin to the main account. They do a 1-2 step. Okay. So then once you do that, and this is how you do it, this is what the interface looks like. So it'll be trading account. I have Tether, or in this case, I would select Matic, and I want to, click this little number right here, and all of them will go here, or you can type in an amount, and you want to move them to drop down, boom, main account. That's what you want to do. Now in KuCoin, your main account has the tokens you need to move. There you go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get them off of KuCoin and into MetaMask. So in your main account, not the trading account, in KuCoin, you now have coins like Matic that you want to withdraw. You're not transferring them anywhere. You're going to take them literally out of KuCoin. You're going to withdraw them. Then what happens is this screen opens up and you drop down, you select Matic. You're not transferring them. You select this right here. You understand this. This KCC, I believe they're talking about the actual KuCoin coin. Okay, this is not MATIC token. So you just say, yes, I understand. I'm not going to do that. Continue. Then what'll happen is this will show up. And when this shows up, what you have here is your MATIC tokens, okay? Your available tokens to transfer here. You're going to paste your MetaMask wallet, which is right here. This right here, this account, this is your wallet. This is your mainnet. This is the network. This is your wallet. This is the coins. This is your wallet. You just copy this right there, and then you come back. Let me make sure I'm in the right one here, and right there, and you paste it right here. And that is telling KuCoin, I'm sending my Matic to this wallet address at MetaMask. Now, when you get to network, and this is really important, you click the drop down, you're going to see Ethereum and this and that and whatever. Select the Matic network. This is the beautiful thing about KuCoin. They're letting you move any type of token that is on your account in KuCoin, like Matic, to this network, if this network, if Polygon takes them. So USDC, USDT, whatever, Ethereum, whatever the case is, I'm moving Matic tokens off of KuCoin to this wallet address on this network, the Matic network. Again, this wallet inside of MetaMask on this Matic network is now going to receive these tokens. And then you're seeing the fee here, which is one Matic token. That's the fee. So at today's price, it's like $1.80. Not $100 like it would be if you were doing this with Ethereum for any reason whatsoever. Now you go here. Boom, they arrive. Now you go here. Here's my conclusion. Basically, on the KuCoin Exchange, you're going to buy Matic tokens. Transfer the bought coins into your KuCoin main account within KuCoin, out of the trading account. Withdraw the Matic tokens from KuCoin to MetaMask Matic Mainnet using the Polygon network, Matic network, that drop down I showed you, by selecting the Matic from the KuCoin withdraw screen network selection, Matic. Coins arrive into MetaMask wallet on the Matic Mainnet. Matic tokens are now used to pay Matic Mainnet, Polygon network, I misspelled that, gas fees. Matic gas fees are pennies to the dollar for the same transactions that Ethereum networks charge hundreds of dollars for each transaction. So these are the DeFi protocols, literally from Polygon, their website, and this thing scrolls forever. There are so many of these protocols to use. It's ridiculous. So just some of the things I'm going to use. Obviously, Aave, obviously Curve Finance. QuickSwap is just a Uniswap copy. You can use 1 inch. This right here I'm looking at. This I've looked at a little bit. SushiSwap, obviously. And then on and on and on and on and on. So, that being said, what I really wanted to show right there was I wanted to memorialize my process. I wanted to get it out here, and anyone who has experience in any of this, of what I just showed or what I just did, if you have any other information that could be beneficial to all of us out here that are trying to stop having to pay these high Ethereum gas fees, because it's not going to be it's going to be months from now before Vitalik over at Ethereum gets his shit together and actually pumps out a layer 2 that's going to be full proof of stake and all this kind of stuff, so that the Ethereum DeFi space can be much more affordable to use, so we can all go back over there and also use it. I already do it at Binance, way cheaper. I'm now going to be doing it at Polygon, way cheaper. I'm going to be looking at Yearn Finance, playing with that, and then I'm going to be trying to play around, see how Cardano and Polkadot start coming out. So I just wanted to get this out there. I hope this helps anyone who is interested in doing DeFi and all of the transactions within all of the different things you can do in DeFi are going to cost you pennies to the dollar compared to doing it over at Ethereum. So I hope this helps you out. I will leave the links in the description below to the people that helped me with their videos to get to this point. I hope this video helps you in some way. And if I did something wrong that I'm not aware of yet, please comment below and let me know where I've made a mistake possibly, because I'm still in the test phase. I do have funds over at Aave, and I successfully moved them and paid very little fees. So I think it's working just fine. I moved some USDC over to Aave, and I'm just letting it sit there for a minute, and I'm going to go in there and start playing with the protocol and seeing what else I can do. I appreciate it. Hopefully this does help you guys out a little bit if you're interested in that. Again, if there's anything that I said here that's misinformation or not correct, please correct me down below. I'm just trying this stuff out on the fly. Hope it helps you out. Hope you guys have a great weekend. See you next week.